Good evening, LinkedIn. It seems like everyone is talking about volumetric capture in 3D, in spatial computing. Over the last 2 or 3 months, that seems to be what everyone is talking about, and on the tongues of almost every single futurist throughout this entire emerging technology spectrum. So I wanted to show you guys something very simple. If you have an iPhone X or greater, iPhone XR, XS Max, you can actually capture a 3D map via the infrared flood emitter. It's basically projecting about 30,000 infrared points out onto my face, and we can map this, and then we can create a .ply 3D model and then project it into augmented reality. And what I want to show you is simulating 3D and projecting via this holoportation telepresence in the future. Our phones will have depth cameras both on the front and the back, and we'll be able to create a 360-degree environment, maybe out to 3, 4, or 5 meters at first, but you'll be able to project that, and others will be able to project that into your space and you into theirs, and that's where this technology starts. That's why it's so important to understand the basics and where it is right now. So as soon as I press select here, I'm going to go ahead and get started. And I'm going to move it just ever so slightly around my right ear. Back around the other side. Fairly accurate model. Alright, let's go ahead and press stop on that. Excellent. So let's take a look at that scan and then project it into augmented reality right in front of us. Let's export it out to PLY with colors. It's going to show us the precision. It's down to 0.5 millimeters and generated about 3,388,528 triangles at a size just under 200 megabytes. Now I've generated 400 or 500 megabit files with this so far. So let's take a look at it in the viewer. That's actually pretty good. So you have a light field camera in your pocket and you didn't even know it, right? But the other kinds of technologies out there are just more powerful. They have a lot more than just 30,000 points of light reflecting out for TOF calculations and triangulation. So let's go and view this in AR so you guys can see what that looks like out on my desk. There we go. So that's just sitting right on my desk right there. And if we had a spatial computer like the Magic Leap 1 or a HoloLens or an Avigent HMD, we would be able to actually import this into any number of different applications and view it and manipulate it, interact with it directly right in front of us. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. This is a very simple, again, introduction into handheld depth cameras and how prevalent they're going to be across the industry in a very short period of time. I see this as an exponential increase in a technological disruptive innovation that's about to hit not only the cell phone market, but autonomous driving, artificial intelligence, machine learning, transportation, entertainment, education, training. I mean, you go down the list of everything that this is going to either interrupt, disrupt, and or just completely overwhelm. These kinds of projection technologies are definitely on that list. Thank you guys for tuning in. Have a great night.